The governors of Jonglei and Unity states have been summoned to appear before the Council of States to explain recent insecurities and questionable suspension of state legislators respectively. The spokesperson of the Council of States, Josephine Nakuru, says Governor Joseph Ngen Monytuil will answer questions on the general security situation. In related development, the legislator said the upper house will question Jonglei State Governor, Dene Chagor, over his recent suspension of 2 members of the state parliament. We summoned the governor of Unity State, Honorable Joseph Monytuil, to appear before the council and make clarifications pertaining issues that have been rampant on social media throughout South Sudan about the insecurity situation in the state, said Josephine while speaking to the state-owned television SSBC. The government of the oil-rich Unity State has come under fire this month following the horror execution of 4 men affiliated with a rebel movement. Brigadier General Gatluak Magiok, Major Nyuan Garang Kul, Major General Per Aruap Kul and another unidentified officer were extradited from Sudan last month. The officers loyal to Stephen Bue and accused of killing the commissioner of Mayam County were paraded and killed on video record, which was circulated on social media. Some members of the public civil society organization and UNMISS condemned the summary killing, while the national government vowed action. Lawmaker Josephine Nakuru also added that they summoned Governor Dene Chagor of Jonglei State to explain his decision to suspend 2 state MPs. We are also immediately calling on the governor of Jonglei State, Dene Chagor, to appear before and explain to us in details as to why 2 honorable members were suspended like ordinary civil servants.